There's one. I knew it.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. It's been a while. Today we're going to be going to a private pond near my house, and we're going to go kayak fishing in my new kayak. I was here yesterday and I was getting a lot of bites, but I didn't get anything. But I think we came here early in the morning. It's like 7. We're going to get to launching the kayak, and then we're going to go catch some big fish. Alright, let's get out. There we go. Past couple times I've been here, I used a jig for like all the fish I've caught, just going along the bank. So I think that's what we'll be doing. Started off today with. But still trying to get used to this kayak, so maybe you guys will see me fall in today. Okay. Let's get our rod out. Start with this right here. This little smaller jig. Alright. Let's get to it. Holy crap, what was that? Did you just see that? I was looking away. Holy crap, it's like a massive carp. Yeah, it's like just a massive carp. What the heck? I didn't even know there were carp in here. I'm seeing if I can try to get the point to where the wind will push me, and then I can just keep hitting the trolling motor back to reach. But I think I'm just gonna get getting closer to the bank. Yeah, that's exactly what's gonna happen. I've had this kayak since December. This is like my 4th time taking out. I really like it. It's super nice. Oh my, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, bet. That works. was here, I caught a 3-pounder off the bank on a jig. It was like right over there, so. But yesterday we had no luck, just a bunch of bites. The jig that I was getting all the bites on yesterday, I lost on a fish yesterday. Set the hook, fought him for maybe like a second, and then lost him. Let's trade trailers. Let's see if I have anything in the old tackle box. Get this stupid little piece of crap off of here. Oh my goodness. Okay, yeah, that just freaking shattered the jig. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm locked in. Time to actually catch it. There's one. I knew it. Oh, a little dink. Stay. Oh my gosh, look at that boat flip. Ew. Ew. Look at that little guy. Oh. That's all I needed. Just trade the trailer. Ow. Now I catch a little dink. Oh. Caught a little fish for you guys now. Put him back. He didn't really bite. It kind of just felt like he was like, just kind of grabbed it and left. That strap was, but at least I caught a fish though. I caught one. That's all that matters. Now we can make the video. I can publish it without it. Oh! That one's better. No, my neck! Get over here, buddy. Get in the net. The water is so warm. That one's a better one. What the heck is wrong with these fish? Like, what is on him? Freaking motor oil? What is it? What happened, buddy? That one's maybe like a pound. Oh my gosh, I had one that whole time. I had no idea. Little boat flip. Oh, it's on my hoodie. Oh.
Gosh, that thing was not coming out of his mouth. I can't even get it out of his mouth. Nice. They're not dinks, but they're not bad. Alright. See you, buddy. Use I'm gonna troll around, up and around, and see if I can find any other spots that look kind of good. But if I can't, I think that'll be it. I haven't even been out here that long. I put the boat in at 7:07, and it is 9:04. Oh, I've been here for 2 hours. It's felt like an hour, maybe. Put this down. Alright, so we're back at the boat ramp. I chucked up there. And there's this little, like, thing over here. It's like a little... Okay. Whoa. It's like a little fishing boat house thing. I don't know. I think they used to have boats in it or something. But I'm gonna fish around this real quick, and then I think I'm gonna be done. If you can't tell my voice, I'm freezing. It's so cold. Alright, my GoPro died while I was fishing around that dock a little bit. I didn't get any bites or anything. I got snagged, so that was pretty cold. So I went back and put the boat up. But that'll be the end of today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.